So just a little heads up, online purchases are great, you know. It's always better to support your local economy though, and I've been doing that more and more. In this particular case, there's a rad hose I received from Rock Auto, allegedly a lower rad hose for my car. There's the lower rad hose for my car. It's not even close. And if you don't check this stuff right away, after 30 days, you can't send it back. So you're stuck with it. So just be careful, and when you get stuff, I guess the best advice is to check it right away. Otherwise, you'll end up stuck with it. And I mean, this isn't even close. So better off with this kind of stuff going on. Support your local economy. Go down to your local auto parts store and purchase it that way. I've been doing more and more of that lately, and I'll continue to do so because this is a huge disappointment. And when you buy online, it just seems like nobody really cares. So heads up. Later.